Hello, welcome back to another episode of Project Integra. Alright, yeah, skip all that. Yep, next day, as you remember yesterday, we were ripping out the interior. Yeah, that's about it. Ripping out the interior, trying to clean it up and everything. Now, we have the tool to pull this damn steering wheel off. I'm gonna roll this damn window down. Thank you, sir. Yep. Tool, Allen keys. Because the steering wheel, as you can see, or not see because light. Oh hey, I forgot about this light. Ah! Yep, ignore that. Is this not plugged in or something? No, it's not. I unplugged it. God darn it. Alright. I'll be right back. Alright. Got the light on now. You can actually see in here. But as you can see, there's little tiny Allen keys around this. There's one missing already. That's super safe. But yeah, this steering wheel, as you can see, it's got to go. It is a flimsy piece of junk. Like, it's death waiting to happen. That's what that is. Plus, we need to get it off anyway to go ahead and get everything else off. Get this out. You probably need to do that, but yeah, get that out. Get the dash out, the center, the carpet. I guess I'll take the doors off too. Go ahead and clean out what's behind those. Man, this thing is a mess. An absolute mess. Get all the seat belts out because I don't care about those. Mess, 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 mess. But yeah, that's gonna be the project. So let's get this steering wheel off. Hey, steering wheel off. Yeah, you can look at that bend. Yeah, granted that's slightly because of us, but either way, not quality. This thing is so garbage, it's amazing. It is heavy too for a piece of junk. Jesus. Yeah, use real wheels. That's, yeah, real wheels. This is garbage. That's gonna get thrown out there in the pile of junk that gonna get a truck and take to the dump. Yeah, this is the cover that covers like the back panel back here. Pretty sure I can, yeah, we can save this. Clean it up real nice and maybe do a different material. I got vents right now taking out the center console. It's a little nipply outside, so we got the heater going too. Doing work. Putting in, oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Another thing I need to get, trash bags, remind me. Because we have lots of trash we need to get out. Like all of this stuff that's just like laying around. I'm sorry, I don't know where the camera's pointing. I don't have the screen flipped out. But need to get parts. I have jars to put on this too. I need to fill this out. That's a cool little life tip or life hack if you have a garage. Use salsa jars and all that. Yep, something I got. But yep, back to stripping the interior. So far we have, like I said, the steering wheel out. He got the centerpiece off. We're gonna keep trying to get everything else out. Look at this nightmare. Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare of wiring. But yeah. As you can see, you got the dash, not the dash out, but oh god, we got this nastiness everywhere. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Wirings are just like cut and winded together and taped and stuff. It's bad. This was the gauge cluster I had on the pillar pod that came with the car. That's of course gonna come out and get it apart. Working on getting all the rest of the dash out. All this. So we can get the underneath. So that way you can actually see the wiring. Because there's like stuff I don't even know what's going on in this thing. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. We'll update. So once we get further, I'll show some more. Alright, so got the radio and everything out and like all the centerpiece right here. Look at the wiring in this. This was already like, it's just tucked away. Like, How can anyone do this to a car? I don't understand. Amazing. People just let stuff rot away. Sickening, dude. Sickening. At least I know everything else is fine, motor-wise. But yeah, time to get the dash out. This car is a nightmare. That's all I can say. Whew. Got the dash out. It's somewhere over there. Wait, yeah. It's over there. But yeah, dash is out. Wiring harness was a nightmare. That thing is just, there's cut wires, there's tape in places that shouldn't be tape. It's, yeah, I'm glad I'm redoing all this. I could have easily just bought the car, of course, just got it running and get a paint job and been done with it. But no, I'm not that kind of person. I plan on keeping this car for a long time, so I was like, let me go ahead and do everything right. Let me get it straight. Let me fix this, fix that, and I'm glad I am, because I'm seeing everything that the previous owners. Yeah, I mean, it is a 92, so I wasn't expecting a whole lot, but you definitely buy, or you pay for what you get, as in like amount-wise, the amount we paid for this car and what it needs, and it's a nightmare. So, yep, gonna get my buddy. He's gonna redo all the wiring for me. I'm gonna pay him for that. Get this interior finish pulled out. I'm gonna stop here because I feel like getting this dash out was a big process, especially with the windshield still in, because it was difficult. Yeah, we definitely just got to get the door panels off. That's nothing. This one's like hanging on by threads. So this one will pop off, that pop off, and just keep gutting it from there. Once I get down to the bare metal, it's just going to be vacuuming and cleaning and vacuuming and cleaning and sanding and pulling the motor, which would be fun. Easy. The motor, yeah, that'd be easy. So pull the motor, get my buddy, after the car gets painted, get my buddy to wire tuck it, because he knows how to tuck the wires in this. So do that. And then paint, like I said. Oh, you can't see me, look at that. Stupid light. There we go. Good enough. Yep, so stop here. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see other stuff, let me know. Hopefully we'll be working on Buddy's car. He's doing the K swap, the K motor that's just been chilling over there for the longest time, along with not the LS, but the motors behind it that you can't see tucked away. Those are my buddy Jarrett's. We talked about that, but we got a special project for that. He doesn't want me to say it, so holding off on that. Then Vince wants to find something to put the LS in after his car gets tuned, make sure his motor doesn't blow up from the blower. Cross fingers. Yep. Alright, so yep. Peace out. Stay driven. Thanks for watching.